I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh. I'm so excited to show you this house with 4 bedrooms, over 9 acres, and a pool. I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh with Keller Williams Realty in Santa Cruz, and I am so excited to show you our new listing on 188 Kelly Lane in sunny Bonny Doon. This home offers so much, including an over 2,800 square foot interior with a versatile floor plan. It has over 9 acres with usable space and a pool. What I love about this home is that it has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and the floor plan is so versatile. You've got 2 bedrooms on this main floor, 2 upstairs, plus downstairs is set up perfect for guest accommodations or an in-law suite. You'll love the open floor plan with its high ceilings and these oversized windows that just drench the home in natural light. You will love this beautifully updated kitchen, from the quartz counters with ample space to the breakfast bar and to your views of this amazing pool. What I love about this downstairs space is that there are so many options. It's set up great if you want a family room or a playroom, but you could even turn it into an amazing primary suite. The possibilities are endless. Another feature that I just love about this property is how the interior flows so effortlessly to this exterior space. With these multiple decks, you have ample opportunity for entertaining or to soak in these beautiful tree views. Thank you so much for checking out this amazing property. If you want to schedule a tour, please reach out. My telephone number is 831-419-6538. Again, I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh with Keller Williams Realty in Santa Cruz, and I look forward to showing you this amazing property in person.